My name is Ashley Martinez, and I am a women's health specialist physical therapist. I am board certified in both lymphedema as well as women's health. Prior to coming to Reynolds, I practiced in both Pittsburgh for UPMC Centers for Rehab Services, as well as in Orlando, Florida for a Florida hospital. The way I describe it to my patients when they come in, pelvic health therapy includes anything that has to do with dysfunction of the pelvic floor muscle. So the pelvic floor muscle at the bottom of our pelvis, it does three main things. It supports, it closes sphincters, and it aids in sexual functioning. So those are the type of clients we typically work with. A lot of patients are very nervous to come and explore this type of therapy, and what I generally tell them is any sort of problem or dysfunction that you're having, while it might be considered normal, it's probably not normal. It's probably common, but common and normal are two very different things. So I would encourage them to just come and see what it's about, and we take a thorough history before we do any sort of examination or palpation. We see urogenital, we see gastrointestinal, and we see reproductive system deficits. So anything that fits within that category, that includes urinary incontinence, both stress and urge, frequency, urgency, both for bowel and bladder, as well as any sort of pain dysfunction, so low back, hips, pubic symphysis, anything related to peri or postpartum, and then as well as any sort of pain with intimacy, anything that falls into the category of, I always tell my patients, between the rib cage and the hips is women's health. So in order to get referred to a women's health therapist, you would see either your primary or really any physician. We get a lot of referrals from urogynecology, as well as gynecology, gastrointestinal physicians. We have even seen a few functional medicine referrals. Mostly we get our referrals from, I would say, urogynecology at this point, but you can go anywhere you'd like, PAs and nurse practitioners included.